Hey, this is Creator1201. I'm going to go over most of the basic programming functions that we use to make our programs. In order to get into the program list, what you do is press this button right here, labeled Program. It'll bring you to the list of already made programs. These are all mine. If you go right, you can edit them after you select them. If you go right again, you can create a new one. For now, let's create a new one. I'm just gonna, now you enter what you want to call this program. I'm gonna call it test. Okay. Then you press enter. Now to get to the basic programming items, you press program again, and you come up with this list. It comes up with if, then, else, for parenthesis, while, repeat, end, pause, label, go to, is, ds, menu, program, return, stop, delver, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Well, and a few other things. One of the things I always end up using is label and go to. What that does, if you select label, you name it something, either 1 or a letter by pressing alpha A, and then if you push, and now there in your program there's a spot that you'll jump to after you use go to, which is down here next to it, and you just put it the same as the label you want to go to. See? So now whenever you get to go to A, you would jump to wherever label A is. I think I have a program that has that. This one, see, like label 1. Now let's find the go to. See, there's a go to A, label 2. I probably already passed it, I don't have a very good eye. See, label A, go to A. Okay. See, and if I run that, there, see, and it jumps right back once I ran that program. You can find how to make Chrome in my other tutorial. Okay? Now, another thing you'll need to know is if you go to the right, there's more commands, is display. What this allows you to do is either display a number. To display a number, you push in whatever number you want, like in this case 52, you press store, an arrow appears, and you put it to say like A. Now all you have to do is go down to display and select A. Also you can have display show words. So press second alpha, which makes an alpha lock. Press plus to make quotations. You always have to have quotations around the letters you want to say. And just for now, for time's sake, I'll put MH. Okay. So if you run the program, it shows 52 over here and MH. Okay. Now, another thing I usually use is called pause, but I need to put it in between the two displays. So what you do is go to the very right of one of them, you press select, delete, which insert, and you press enter. Then you can get a new line. Now for pause, you push program and go down till you find pause, number 8. Okay, now what pause does is it pauses it till I press enter. See, when it says 52, if I press enter, it shows the rest. Now done automatically appears saying that the program ran successfully. Okay. So this has been a actually quite a bit long tutorial of a few basic functions. There are several others I may be able to go over in other tutorials. So, hope you learned something. Hope I learned something. And thank you for listening.